Hey Mooresville, my name is Tyler Armstrong. I'm the owner of Charlotte Cell Phone Repair. We are actually a mobile repair service that can provide cell phone repair in Mooresville, North Carolina. So we can travel to a location convenient to you and help you with your iPhone repair. So if you need a screen replacement, a battery replacement, or maybe even the back glass repaired on your iPhone, you can give us a call at 704-677-4446, or you can book an appointment on our website, which is charlottecellphonerepair.com. Thank you.